All right, looking east into Minnesota, you're seeing a few distant clouds forming. Those are the thunderstorms tonight. Now, we showed you the dew points a little bit lower. We're a little drier here, but down to the south, some of that moisture is starting to work its way up, and that guy there towering up above all the other storms out there, and we showed you that on radar. Our better chance for more widespread storms in our area comes on Friday, and all hazards will be possible. We're going to go over that, and we'll go over tonight's chances as well. But those temperatures have reached record levels in Grand Forks. It's 94 now, 94 as well in Fargo-Moorhead, and 97 in Sisseton. Thief River, Roseau, Hallock, Langdon, and Devils Lake all sitting in the 90s, as is Jamestown at this hour. So we have storms way to the north, storms way to the south, and storms out in the big sky country of Montana have become severe. This guy not severe yet, and it's making its way toward that Brainerd area out of Todd County right now, so probably not far from that Motley area as it's working its way eastward. And we're watching for development out in our southernmost counties for this evening. That's where the risk is greatest for a few severe storms in the yellow area here. The green, you know, if we get storms in the green area, including close to the FM area, including close to Detroit Lakes, those may be possibly severe. Where you see the light green, non-severe, garden variety thunderstorms will be possible. Our threats tonight, isolated tornadoes mainly way down to the south, and wind and hail will be the main risks for tonight's storms. We'll see some overnight storms that could be pretty strong as well that carry us all the way into the morning. Tomorrow, though, every one of our counties under that risk of a few strong to severe storms, 70-mile-per-hour winds, 2-inch diameter hail, isolated tornadoes, not out of the question, particularly early when the storms fire. Flooding could be a possibility as well underneath some of those gully washers. Your forecast tonight shows down to the south is where the chances will be best. We're talking Richland County, Roberts County, Traverse and Wilkin County. Southern parts of Otter Tail County look to have the best chance. I think it stays south of Interstate 94. Then as we head to bed, we could have a few storms skirting the north, but watch down south here. This guy moving out towards Ellendale and Oaks, and then that kind of blossoms as it works its way into the southern Red River Valley because it runs into these south winds that have that moisture that's finally going to be arriving overnight into tomorrow morning. So morning storms south and a few near the international border, temperatures near 70 out the door on your Friday morning. Now as we go toward the mid-morning, these storms are out of here, and we'll see quiet and very warm weather. Look at the wind. Gusty south winds will bring that humid air back. It's going to be hot. We're going to have heat indices around 105 degrees in Fargo and Point South. And with that moisture will come more widespread and more potent storm potential. Now, when these storms first fire in the dinner hour and beyond out west, that's when the risk for those tornadoes will be the greatest, and we'll have very gusty wind potential with these heaters as they make their way into the Red River Valley here between 7 and 9. Then after that, they continue off to the east, and we could have those gusty winds being the main threat as we go through the overnight hours with hail. And look at this, still 10 to midnight, and they're exiting off to the east. Now, as we look at this, it looks quieter for the rest of the overnight. A couple models say that we could have some overnight storms festering up as well. We'll keep you posted on that on your first alert weather day for Friday. 69 to start. Showers and thunderstorm chances in Fargo-Moorhead will be best after 6 and likely closer to 8 or 10 o'clock at night. They could be severe. Be prepared for wind. And again, have the Valley News Live weather app handy. Christy shares a gorgeous shot here from Wright County. Thanks so much. What a colorful scene. Okay, one more day of heat with heat indices around 105. It's no monkey business there. Make sure you stay cool. Cooler 70s, a little breezy for Saturday and Sunday as well. Next week, we're back into the above average temperatures for most days with highs in the mid 80s and a few storms on the docket.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.